if you go to anypointspeedway.com, then join race, you will need to enter your credentials. So for that, first you will have to go here and then request access. Select your stuff. For production, I already have my app. If not, create a new one. Select the SLA tier. My case is compete. Once you click on request access, you will get the client ID, client secret, which you will put here. Click submit, and then you can enter your details. In my case, display name Alex Martinez, email alexandermartinez@salesforce.com, and this is where I need to create my API. So, and this is a great way to show you that now there is a dark theme. If you download the MuleSoft community theme, you will see that now we have a dark theme created by Naveen Kumar. So thank you so much for that, Naveen. I really appreciate it. Because like this is the light theme, but we already have the dark theme. So like, again, this is the light, this is the dark. So go ahead and check that out. Anyway, let's go to Anypoint Code Builder. Let's just develop an integration from scratch. Anypoint Racer API S4. Let's do that. Anypoint Racer API S4, Season 4. I'm gonna put it in downloads because that's just easier for me to see where I put it. Empty project. Let's do the latest, and yeah, 17. Cool. Create project. So now it's gonna start doing that, but for now, so I just need the /health to return okay. So let's do that. I didn't know all of this was here. Let's just do the basics, build a flow. So we're in the listener, and we want this to be /health. Let's rename this to be /health. And let's create it here, and then we'll move it. Sure, listener config. So 0000, and let's do 8081. Let's just leave all the basics. Cool. So now, new Mule configuration file. Anyway, let's take this HTTP listener out of here, save this, put it here, save this. Okay, so now we are referencing to it. Yeah, just to make sure we are. Sweet! So this is done. I don't need the global. Okay, so we're doing the health. And then we just need a transform message, components transform. Let me make this smaller. And target payload inline script. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna do here text plain. And this is just gonna return a okay. Right? That's what we wanted. Yeah. Text plain, okay. I put text plain, okay. Okay, let's just put this as okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's save this. I'm just gonna close everything. We have this ready. I'm already logged in with my trial account. I actually need to have this open so I can deploy. All right, so deploy to CloudHub 2 because CloudHub 1 doesn't exist anymore. CloudHub US is 2, Sandbox, Anypoint Racer API, rolling, sure, runtime, replicas, yes, deploy. Let's just do the latest one. Okay, version 100 here, /save. All right. Racer validation failed. Fix me. Why though? No listener for endpoint /health. Didn't I do that though? I'm pretty sure. Oh, there was a space. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave it like this. There was a space. Yep, there was a space. Okay, let's save this. I should have probably seen it from here. That sucks. Okay, deploy. CloudHub 2. Yeah, same thing, same thing. Asset should be 1 now, I guess. Redeploy. Okay, this was deployed. Alright, now we're getting the okay. We're here. Alright, so let's fix this. Save. Alright, awesome. Toggle the switch below to join the competition. Ready to race, I guess. I'm not sure what that means. But this was okay. Oh! Speak your name. Okay. Fine. Am I here yet? No. I do need to finish the other thing. Alright, well, but I am in the race now, so I'm gonna record another video to speak my name and see how this works. Alright, this was all then. Happy racing!